How do you prepare a feast? So of course, if you're eating out, the answer is simple. You go to Chipotle and you order your feast. Or if you're having pizza, you order it. If you want to prepare more feast at home, which I recommend, here's how you do it. So the trick is I do my grocery shopping daily because I live downtown. I've worked hard my whole life so I can live in a fun area. So I go to the grocery store every day and I buy what I want for the day. The trick is to have a source of protein. So if I go to Chipotle or something like that, I usually go for chicken. If I go for to the keg or a steakhouse, I go for a steak, not keg. No kegs of beer. So today, since I'm cooking, I like to cook salmon. Salmon is easiest to cook. So you buy yourself some salmon, and this will be the staple, the protein of your meal. So you get yourself some salmon, and it's actually very easy. During the day, whether you're working or whether you work from home, you keep busy and you work. You do what you have to do. And then when you come home, it's time to feast. So whether, doesn't matter, I don't know your hours, everyone's got different hours, but you come home and you prepare your feast. So what I like to do, since I'm recording a video, I'm obviously not doing this, but usually I'll listen to a podcast, I'll get some videos in the background. This is the one time where it's okay to watch motivational videos because you're actually cooking. Or I do my language lessons, and I just try to have something to do. Oh, there you go, the oven's ready there. I try to have something to do so as I'm cooking, I can, kill two birds with one stone. Because cooking doesn't have to be stressful or boring. It can be pretty fun. You're watching wrestling, you're watching fights, you're watching stuff. So anyways, you got your main source of protein. So for me, it'll be salmon. Luckily, I work hard and I treat myself to lots of good food. I'm gonna have 2 pieces of salmon today. I'm in the mood for that. So here's I got a little smaller piece to go along with the main piece. So, make sure you wash your food always. So I like to add, I got some lemons. Well, I gotta slice it up a bit more, but just for the video. I sliced up my lemons, and I got some cool toppings. I got some roasted garlic pepper, that's gonna go on there. I don't add too much, I'll add some of this black peppers. And that's my main protein source. So, of course, that's not enough protein for use, but that's just the main source of the feast. I'll add in some protein bars. I know they're not the best for you, but such is life. I like to have some protein. Since I'm eating healthy at the moment, only because I'm trying to get really fit, since I do all this stuff online, I gotta be kind of fit. I'm eating pretty clean. So today I'm gonna have the salmon. I'm gonna make a shitload of eggs. I'm not gonna record me recording eggs or me making eggs. It's kind of boring. My name's not Cadman Turner. I'm joking. Shout out to Cadman. He does cooking videos, which are very fun. So I'm gonna make some eggs, and I'm just gonna rely on avocados for my fats and my fuel. I ended up buying a shitload of avocados. I got 5 avocados. And I'm gonna put the salmon in the oven. Gonna make the eggs. I'm gonna listen to some podcasts, munch on some protein bars, eat the avocados, and that right there is how you prepare an epic feast at home. If you do it for yourself, it's you have the podcast going, you have things going on, so it can be fun. Ideally, on the weekends you have friends over, you guys cook together, you make some feasts, you enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions about epic feasts in the comments. Thanks for watching.